How to create a lower third title with Fusion in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the Media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Add a background node and change its color. Then attach it to the media out. Add a rectangle mask and attach it to the background node. Select the rectangle and change its width and height. Then in the viewer position it to the bottom left corner of the screen. Now open up the Effects panel, click on Tools, and search for Shadow. Drag the shadow after the background when the line turns blue. Select the shadow, and increase softness. Also, increase corner radius in the rectangle if you want. Now add a text node and a merge node after the shadow. Connect the text to the merge node. Select the text node, type a text, and change its style to your liking. Drag the text into the background. Now we have this background and text, and it's time to animate it. Add a transform node after the merge node. Select the transform node and move the playhead to the start. Click on the diamond button next to center and drag the center X value to the left to move the title out of the screen. This will create the first keyframe. Move the playhead to frame 15 and drag center X value to the right until the title is visible in the screen. This will create the second keyframe. Move the playhead to frame 134, which is the length of my composition 149-15. Click on diamond button next to center to create a keyframe with current value. Move the playhead to the end and drag center X value to the left to move the title out of the screen. This will create the last keyframe. Now we have this lower third title, but the animation is not smooth. To smoothen the animation, open up the spline panel and check the transform checkbox. Click on this button to see all the keyframes. Select the two middle keyframes and press the F key on your keyboard to add a curve to the line. Or you can select each keyframe and drag its handles to smoothen it. Now go back to the edit page and drag the composition into timeline. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.